Hi friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we are making good old-fashioned grilled cheese sandwich. We have here cheese of choice, old cheddar, we've got whole wheat bread and of course butter. Get the pan on your stove, heat it up and gather all your equipment. All you need is basically a knife so you can put some chunks of butter on the bread and you can cut the cheese in slices. We are adding butter on bread. Pan is hot. We'll add in our bread on the pan and adding some cheese. Of course, kids are going to help. Where there is mama, there is a child. Let them be involved in this grilled cheese making process. They'll gobble those sandwiches up in no time. Next, we've cut some slices of cheese thinly so it can melt easily. Everything becomes ooey gooey cheesy. Putting it on, slice of bread. Next, get another slice ready. Another little sliver of butter on our toast. Putting it on, and that's it. We'll let everything come together. A few minutes on one side, then the other. When both sides are nice and brown, crispy as per your desired taste, then you think it's ready. So slowly butter is melting, cheese is melting. We'll flip it over. Everything has stuck together. And there is your grilled cheese sandwiches, friends. You can enjoy it as it is or pair it with some soup. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.